Hey guys, Chi-Chi here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be live swatching the new Artist Couture Midnight Maven palette, and I'll be giving you this fire look. So let's hop into these swatches. Entrada. Okay, so here we have it. The first ever Artist Couture palette. This is their Midnight Maven palette. I'm so excited. You guys know from a few of my swatch videos, I love Artist Couture. I've been rocking with them for quite a while. So here is the palette, and inside, it's a party. I'ma just say, it's a party. I'm loving this. It also does come with a mirror. And it's very mini size. Now this is $29 for 8 shades. It's available on Artist Couture's website as well as Sephora.com. And I believe it should be launching at the end of October in store. It's beautiful packaging. I love this whole color scheme. So kudos to you, Maczadeh. I think I'm gonna start with the bottom row because the top row has more shimmers. So first color I'm going to go into is Frisky, and it looks like a nice warm brown. Pigment is definitely there. It's almost like a terracotta brown color, which is dope. It's cool. It's going on very nicely. If you haven't seen any of my swatch videos, I do have a little bit of concealer and setting powder on, just so you know. Go and pick a little bit more up and blend her out, see what the deal is. She's blending out like a dream. A dream. That is gorgeous. It's not patchy. It's going on really evenly. Look at that. Good start. Good start. This definitely has that warmth to it, but it's not super warm where it's like a little intimidating, a little too brown. But this one is just a nice flush of a color. I mean, I dig it. Up next we have Rebel, and this is looking like a really warm chocolate shade. I believe these are pressed pigments, so when they mean a little bit goes a long way, they truly mean that. That's pretty deep. Get my life together all the way real quick. Pigment, hello. Hello. That blends out really nice and evenly. I'm happy with that. I just like how it really just blows out in the eye. It makes for a very easy smoky eye, like a brown smoky eye, but I'm not as intimidated with this brown as I would be in a much more rich chocolate brown, which I do really appreciate. This is right on the money. Next up we have Nightcap, and this is a matte plummy purple shade. When I tell you this is pigment, this is pigment. Whoa, you really only need a little bit on your brush. Wow, that's tough. That's tough, man. I'm very impressed with this one because a lot of purples that I've tried get a little patchy. This one, definitely not. Definitely not. This is a good purple. This one right here. The other purples like that I've been trying recently they've been alright, but this one, it's not patchy. It's really a full color, and I like that. I'm looking at that crease, you know, that dark line is not my friend, and this one isn't doing it. I'm thoroughly impressed with that. And because I'm only taking a little bit, I can intensify this really nicely and get it real poppin', real poppin'. Dope, love it. Nightcap, I wish I had a drink right now. Next we have Vixen, and this is a hot pink matte neon shade. It almost gets more fuchsia on my lid. I'm not mad at this. You know my love-hate relationships with pink. Even though lately I have been wearing a lot of pink eyeshadow, so kudos to me. It's not super neon, but I'm sure if I really packed it on, it would definitely be like that. If you've seen some of my more recent swatch videos, some of these matte shades have just been having like those weird dark lines, but sometimes you just don't want that dark line. And right now, not a dark line in sight at all. And again, another shade that just blends out flawlessly. I don't know what Angel's doing over there, but he's doing the damn thing. And I appreciate it. We already finished up row 2, so let's hop into row 1 with all the cute colors. So kicking this off with Quickie, and this is basically your standard light warm brown. I don't know if you can see on camera. It's pretty much the same color I would set with. This is a nice flesh tone warm for me. It's there, I just don't think that you're going to actually see it. It almost kind of has a very small hint of orange, a very light hint of it. Not sure if it's really picking up on camera. I just want a quickie, no bite marks, no scratches, and no hickeys. This is a very sexy palette. Like this is, you're definitely going out, you're going to the club with this palette. You want to be seen. This is your palette for sure. Let's get into these shimmers. This next shade is a Rendezvous, and this is a blue shimmer shade. This would look phenomenal on a black base for sure. It would really just pop. It's just going on so nicely and even. I'm really happy with that. The glitter shimmer in it, I can't really explain it, but she cute. As usual, I'm going to wet my brush and see if it intensifies any more. Stop playing with me. Oh my God. I need a moment. Oh my God. Oh, that didn't happen. That did not happen. On camera, it looks more teal. Wow. Y'all, I know y'all saw that. I know y'all saw that. I know y'all saw that. Okay, I'm done. I'm sitting here acting like I didn't expect this from Artist Couture because the highlighters are the same way, where it's just like, what? This color though. Wet your brush. Oh, wow. This is just, beautiful shade. If you love a good blue eyeshadow, I would just get this palette just for this color because it is bomb. Up next we have After Hours, and this is a really dark, sultry purple. I see a little bit of a pink shimmer in it. Not an overwhelming pink, but it's still there. I really see that pink protruding out through the shade. I'm sure once I add water to my brush, it's just gonna pick up a whole lot more. Just wow. Just wow. It might even have like a blue base to it. I don't know, I might be bugging. That's pretty cool. I can't really describe it, and I really don't think it's picking up on camera, which I'm so mad at, but when I do look in the mirror, like this part in certain lights looks blue, and then when I turn my head, this part kind of looks blue. That's dope. I like that. I like that a lot. Angel, you're really killing me with these shades. You really are. The last and final shade is Lights Out, and this is a purple metallic shade. Not a single dud. As far as me putting it on my eye, whether it's disappearing, whether I have that dark line, this perfect palette. Even though Quickie really doesn't show up on my skin tone, still all of these shades totally worth it. Wet the brush, so much more impact with a wet brush. Yeah, I'm saying it right now. Favorite palette that I've swatched. Favorite palette. I'm done. I am done. This is beautiful. This is there's really nothing I could say bad about it. I could just give you my opinion right now. It's fire. It's flames. I think this is the only like metallic shade in the palette, and it's gorgeous. And you could see there's a clear difference between both of the purple shades. They're completely two different vibes, and I love it. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my face. While I do that, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and let's hop into this tutorial in 3, 2, 1. She is ready. I want to do something real fun, real, I don't know, real club-like. So I think I'm gonna go in with Vixen first, playing this all the way by ear. I'm super happy with this palette. I'm using it to do my eye makeup. It feels nice. I think it's because it's so small. This is like the perfect travel palette to have with you, because you can do a nice little cute little neutral situation and then bring the heat at night. Isn't that what we want out of a small palette? The level of disrespect that Angel put on this palette is just obscene. Obscene. Make sure I get right into this divot right here. I'm done. Nah, I'm just playing. Just playing. I'm gonna use Nightcap with my Sigma E45 brush. See how these things layer up. I knew this palette was gonna be fire, but I really honestly did not expect for me to truly love all of these shades. I was just like, wow. I'm gonna pick up a clean E25 because I really want Nightcap to really be present. And you guys know I normally don't pack on color like this, but today is that motherfucker day. No, I'm looking crazy. I know. Trust the process, okay? I'm just gonna go back in with my original E25 with Vixen on it. Just soften this up. Even how these colors are just mixing, they're just, oh, wow, they're just really, really gorgeous. Man, y'all making me look like I really know what I'm doing. That was your girlfriend. Just want to make sure I got what I need. I didn't pick up any additional product. I'm just kind of reinforcing that purple, you know, she all the way right in together. Cute. I'm kind of second guessing Rendezvous, like, but that's the color I want to do though. Cause I feel like lights out would be real bomb right now, even after hours. But it's like, damn, I really want to use Rendezvous. That's a girl to do. You know what? I'm gonna do Rendezvous, and if I need to abort the mission, I'm gonna just throw lights out on top of it. We gonna make it work, damn it. Hold on to your panties, girls. Mama's going in. Am I regretting my decision? No. I'm gonna wet my brush. I think we're doing something. Look, just look at that. That's just precious. This cannot be real life. Like, just look at that color. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. You cannot tell me I'm not club ready at this point. Well, not all the way yet. I can only imagine how this looks with your finger. I know a finger application would probably be best, but you guys know I can't really be a part of that gang. Angel, you put your foot, your leg, booty cheeks, all that. You put all that into this palette, and it's just gorgeous. I'm gonna just tighten it up a little bit. Going back in with the brush I use for Nightcap, smooth that over. So I'm trying to decide whether I want to put like Rebel just a little bit on the outskirts of my eye. I haven't quite decided. I might just build up Nightcap. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just build up Nightcap right over here, because I want to stick with the blues and the pinks and the purple with this particular look. My confidence with makeup has been getting up there. I'm really proud of self. You guys have really watched me take risk with, you know, different colors and just having fun. I kind of don't even want to call my videos tutorials, because I just want to use my stuff, you know? I feel like that's sometimes what YouTube is missing, is that fun. I think I've discussed this in a few of my videos. I just want to come here, relax, chat, you know? Just enjoying makeup. I really hope you guys do enjoy looking at these videos that I put out, because I do work hard on it, and I want you guys to really, I be cool and be like, you know what? Chi-Chi got that new. I might go over with Vixen, a tiny bit of Vixen, just to intensify like whatever got lost, just right along the edges, not too much. I don't want it to be overshadowed. You know, I just realized I just like literally, I'm slow. I think I'm good with the blending right now, so I'm just gonna put on some liner and lashes and come back real quick. Okay. All right, lashes are on. I'm gonna go with my E15 from Sigma into Nightcap, and I'm just gonna smudge that liner. This is really coming together really nicely. Like, I'm freaking impressed, man. I think that is the word of the day, is impressed, honey. I think I'm going to go into a cute little mixture of Vixen and a Nightcap to further like smoke this out under here. Taking my E36, you guys know she loves E36. It's coming out so good, so good. I am literally proud of self. A little bit more Nightcap on a pencil brush, just really reinforcing that purple under my eyes. Dust off this big with my F37 Spotlight duster. Let's finish up this face. I'm probably gonna bronze with some Cocoa Naughty from Fenty Beauty. We're looking alright, we're looking alright, we're looking alright. All right, for highlight, I'm going to go in with this Artist Couture highlighters. This is from their holiday set. So it's a bunch of mini highlighters. I think I'm gonna use Supernova. It's purple, it's got that to it. But first, you already know I gotta go in with Hot Damn, and I am so sad that these are being discontinued. They're having factory issues. I'm so upset by it, but you know, we're just gonna have some new. So if you don't have these luminizers, you might wanna get your hands on it real quick. So don't say I didn't warn you. I did do a video on these just in case you want to see that. I'll link it up in the cards. But I just want to lay that as a base because I've never used Supernova and it's purple. So, you know, pick up a little bit of Supernova on my F35 brush. We're just gonna, yep, that was the right choice. Just look at that. This is fun. This is so much fun. It's cute, it's cute. I've never used this color before because I always get a little nervous with colors like this. And you definitely don't want to go around looking like a clown. It's very easy to just go a little ham like I just did. Work to blend her. I'm gonna take my sponge and just go over this highlight a little bit because I overdid it just a tiny bit and I really want it to sink into my skin. Look a little more together. Something real cute, real cute. I'm gonna take ColourPop's BFF3 on my lips, and I'm going to use Pat McGrath 1995 lipstick. I'm gonna top it off with Pat McGrath. Give me some extra little loving. So there you have these swatches and tutorial using the new Artist Couture Midnight Maven palette. By far, this was my favorite palette that I've swatched. I really dig the color scheme in it, and it's fire. Just go get it. Let me know in the comment section, are you picking this palette up? Don't forget to check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Stay comfy, guys. Bye.